Alright, so if you missed the other video, I recommend going to watch it because it was freaking awesome. But as you can tell, the truck is absolutely, utterly destroyed by mud currently. So it's time to clean this thing. I mean, and it is thick. This is going to take some real pressure washing to remotely get this thing back to how clean it was. But I did go, I mean, I had this truck over 2 years and I've never done this, and I told myself I wasn't going to, but I finally, you know, I just did it. 2 years, I guess it was due for a good mud bog. The roof is muddy, everything is muddy except for basically the tailgate. Oh boy, that's thick. That's pretty thick. So let's go ahead and pull this thing up and get to spraying it down. "21 minutes worth of pressure washing." Good, this thing is never gonna be the same, honestly. Kind of sad. I'm gonna literally have to get in here and dig this out with my hands because it's just like, it's just humongous, solid clumps of mud. Starting to get clean in here. Once again, it's just gonna take literally hours of cleaning. It's pretty cool looking. Half muddy, half not. But I'm probably not going to be able to film the whole process just because this is going to take so long. I guess I'll finish pressure washing it. About an hour or two later, the actual truck is fairly clean. The bed cover it's gonna take some scrubbing. This is the several pounds of mud that have come out from under it. I'm gonna have freaking grit coming out all the cracks for the next probably forever. So I'm about to hit this thing with the foam cannon, let it soak for a minute, spray it back off, and then that's all I'm doing for now. day after what you just saw. I didn't want it sitting, staining the paint or my bed cover and stuff. So I figured I'd go ahead and wash it this afternoon. Frame and stuff, obviously I've gotten a lot off, but didn't want to dive too deep into it until a couple days worth of driving in the rain. Well, it is time to fully pressure wash this thing. Got the tires off, obviously, and you'll see what is remaining. So still pretty dingy, didn't get under here real good. Obviously way better than it was, but as you can see, I mean, there's just mud caked all over the place. And so we got the wheels and tires off. Oh, changing those is gonna be fun. I need to get all this mud out of the bumper and stuff because that's just been a nightmare. But I'm gonna pressure love the ever-loving crap out of this. Get the rear end, just get everything under here back to clean completely. I mean, just, this is the back side obviously, but yeah. And we lost a wheel weight, looks like, so that's lovely. All right, y'all, check this out. So this tire has already been pressure washed. This is like mud staining, so it's got kind of that brown look to it. Well, this is some Shine Supply tire cleaner. I'm gonna do half of it and then scrub it with our rag and then pressure wash it off and show y'all how amazing this crap works. This stuff works pretty freaking good. Like I said, I don't have a brush, but if you did have a brush, use this stuff. That would be like literally like a brand new tire. And this is not with any tire shine or anything like that. This is just raw tire. This is after a ton of pressure washing the other day, but obviously with the wheel and tire off, I can get in here so much more and see all this horrible disgustingness that is up under here. And I'm about to go to town on it. Underside looking a million times better. I got all the way under the truck, laid down completely under it. Up under there, back here, everything is starting to really clean up, and I'm pretty freaking excited. So I guess I'm gonna probably pressure wash this one more time up under here. All right guys, well, here is basically the finished product. I didn't wash the body again because it's gonna be raining for the next couple days, and there's no point in me cleaning it up for a few hours this afternoon just for it to get dirty. We have finally got the underside nice and clean. I got to get a brush to get in there on the shock and some other places. This isn't with any like dress up stuff, shine stuff on it. This is just fresh washed, scrubbed, pressure washed the crap out of. And so pretty clean. The wheels have not been this clean in a long time. I mean a long time. Back of them, front of them, everything. And dude, it cleaned up better than I honestly thought it was. I was actually pretty worried it was not ever going to get back to as clean as it was, but we've got everything cleaned, greased, and you know, another good day of detailing where I can really clean the truck up good. And I think it'll be basically back to how good it was. All right guys, well, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Excuse my nakedness, but it feels amazing out here, and I'm freaking disgusting from washing this thing, so I'm about to go get a shower. So hopefully you did enjoy this washing of the truck since it's been filthy. Hopefully it wasn't too boring or long, but with that being said, I will catch y'all in the next one.